Hello guys, once again you are welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for coming in today. Today is your first time, and to my old subscribers, you are welcome. Thanks so much for time spent in watching my videos. Today I will be putting on this how to make laundry bar soap without PKO, and then you will make your profits in it. Today I have about 3 types of oil there. I have the palm oil, bleached palm oil, I have the tallow oil, I have the peanut oil, and altogether they are 1.9 kilogram. That is 1,900 grams of. The peanut is 1,000 grams, the tallow and the palm oil 900 grams. So I've already bleached the palm oil and I've heated or warmed the oil. Before any production, make sure you warm your oil so that it doesn't form thick trace quickly. And here is the caustic solution. Here I have 250 gram caustic plus 750 gram of water. Okay, I've pre-soaked it and so it's dissolved. And here I have soda ash 125 gram and water. I've also pre-soaked it so that the production is easier. I have here sodium sulfate also. This part of the ingredient we are using for the production. Okay, and then what is the next thing we are going to do? Of course, I'll be adding the sodium sulfate solution together with the soda ash solution and then mix it. If you take note of sodium sulfate, it's not easily dissolving in water, in cold water, so it takes some time. You really have to relax and soak it for some time. Okay, so you have to mix it very well to make sure they dissolve before using it. So take your time. So I will be pouring the soda ash solution with the sodium sulfate solution first, and as I pour, I mix. Make sure you mix, try to mix it very well. Okay, that's the number you can reach me with on the screen. Okay, pour it. I had to use the oil to mix, little water to mix it again so that it can be well dissolved. So you keep stirring it until it is well mixed, well integrated, and you see that there's already a mix there. Okay, don't worry about the oily phase. It will mix as we mix it all together. Okay, so you can check the description below to join my online classes, and then the number is also there which I will use to add you. Okay, so just to remind us again that I have an ebook where recipes are written there, simple recipe that you can make use of at your own convenient time. In case you can't just come to the video, you can just use the recipe. And there I have important notice there. I have the chemical vendor addresses, I have there NAFDAC numbers, I have there some challenges you meet in soap making and their answers to it. You don't have to be jumping from one place to the other when you meet those challenges. Okay, and then you have the solution yourself. So what you see me pour is the caustic solution. That is the lye. You can see the oily part of it is already dissolving and disappearing. So you pour this and stir it thoroughly. Okay, at this stage it's called batter. It's forming like a pap-like kind of liquid. So that is the saponification is taking place between the lye and the oil. Okay, so keep mixing, thoroughly mix it. Okay, the oil itself is giving us color already, and here what you see me pour is the sugar syrup because I want it to foam very well. Okay, the sugar syrups also help in the lather. Okay, because I'll be making 2 colors with it, I'm dividing the the batter into two. So I'll be using two different colors. The oil cell has given us enough oil, enough color too. Okay, so they're already into session. So I'll be using green color and the red color. Okay, the green color and the red color. So that is the red color. The red color couldn't come out very well because of the color of the oil. Nevertheless, I still put the red color there. Okay, the end result will show us. So this is the, I will be pouring the green color in this big pot. Okay, that's the green color. As much as possible, let's avoid thick trace before you pour it into your batter. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get our, okay, the red is what is making it to be reddish now. Okay, it's the reddish now. Okay, still mix it for some time. Okay, and here is the mold we are going to use. And then this mold is taking about 3.65 kilogram of the total production. So when you are purchasing this mold from us, so you will need about 3.6 to get your desired quantity. So here you see me pour the green one and the red one, and then just want to mix them together, and let's see how it's going to come out. So looking still reddish, so try to mix it together just to let the colors form patterns. Okay, some of them will still get to the bottom of it, because if you wait for it to be thick, it will not be smooth. So it's better it's done while it's still medium trace like this. You can just be creative at this time. You can use more than one color. You can use 3 colors, as many colors as you want. Okay, I just want the 2 colors to penetrate each other. If you have watched it this time, what are you waiting for? Please give this video a like and let it reach other people. Give constructive comments, and then if you are yet to subscribe and put on the notification bell so that each time I put on new content, you will be among the first set of people that will get it. Okay, it's not difficult. You just need to follow the formula and you get it. You'll be surprised how you'll be making amazing, wonderful bar soap or other kind of skin care products. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much. If you are here to subscribe and give it a like. Okay, when I come again on the next video, when I unmold it, when it's dry, I will unmold it and bring it. Because of the quantity like this, just leave it for 24 hours at maximum, 24 hours. But before then, it ought to be dry. But at most 24 hours, you just unmold it. When I unmold it, I bring it, we will cut it together. Okay, see you then. Bye. Okay, it's time. I'll remove all the nylon. Look at how the pattern later came out. Okay, so we'll take it for the cutting now. Let's go there.